With many automakers focused on debuting new SUVs and pickup trucks, it's not every day that you see an all-new compact sedan. But that's what we have here with the Kia K4. Now the K4 slots below the K5 in Kia's car lineup, and it introduces some interesting design cues compared with the more conventional looking Forte that it replaces, and also has a tech-heavy interior. So I want to cover both of those things and more in this first look video, so let's take a look. So the K4 introduces a lot of unique design elements, some of which we've seen on other Kias. One of them is this really pronounced fender flare. That's similar to what's on the EV9 electric SUV. And the K4 also introduces what Kia is calling a twist logic design theme. Now it's right here in the D pillar. It refers to kind of body panels that have like twisted look to them. I don't really think it enhances the proportions of the car or the gracefulness of it, but it is pretty unique. Around back too, there's vertical taillights that also extend to the center of the vehicle, similar to what's on the Carnival minivan and the K5 midsize sedan. You can also see other Kias in the front end look of the K4, evident with these vertical headlights and kind of a really distinctive daytime running light signature. That's similar to what the new Sorento has. This is a GT line K4, so it has a lot of gloss black elements on the grille and also the side mirrors, and also 18-inch alloy wheels. The family resemblance continues on the inside of the K4, which has a dashboard design that's heavily influenced by Kia's EV9 electric SUV. There is a lot of screen real estate here. Kia says 30 inches for what's in front of the driver over to the center. It takes up more than half the dashboard. And there are a selection of hard buttons below it, but they're important ones like temperature control and also a volume roller. The interior in the front is pretty comfortable, but like you see in a lot of Kias, there are a lot of premium features in here that you can get, including available heated and ventilated front seats and also memory feature for the driver's seat. Backseat space in the K4 is passable. The bench seat is a little bit low to the ground, so if you're taller, you sit with your knees up a little bit. But overall space is okay. There's not much extra headroom though, and this black interior makes it feel a little bit confining back here. The K4 will be offered with two available gas engines at launch. There's a standard 147 horsepower, 2-liter 4-cylinder that works with a continuously variable transmission. This GT line has the optional 190 horsepower, turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder that works with an 8-speed automatic. And GT line models also get a different rear suspension. It's a multi-link setup. With the average price of a new car on Cars.com right around $50,000, you can understand why affordability has become a big concern for car shoppers, especially since a lot of the subcompact cars that used to be offered have been discontinued, leaving models like the K4 in the compact class serving as affordable options for new car shoppers. Now, Kia hasn't released pricing yet for the K4, but the 2024 Kia Forte started at around $21,000. So if it comes in anywhere close to that, this car is going to check a lot of the affordability and distinctive design boxes shoppers might be interested in. If you want to learn more about the Kia K4 and all the other cars making their debut at the 2024 New York Auto Show, be sure to head over to Cars.com/news for all the information.